All right, tiny house, CTA 6, best practices 6 and 7, rotation 6 and 7 rather. We're getting down to the doors and windows in this thing. Look at this, we got our building wrap all the way around, got a little piece up there to put in. The next step, we have to put windows in and a door in. Got to cut that opening up a little bit there. So on these windows, before we put the windows in, the building wrap has to be correct. What we want is we want the water, anything that hits that building, that envelope we call it, to run down and outside. So basically if we put the fin of the window, I'll show you that in a second, it's going to sit on the building paper. So anything that hits that fin will hit this and then roll off. On the bottom edge of this, again, we want the fin to sit on the bottom edge of that paper. So any water that hits here hits the fin and goes out. On the top of the window though, we've got an incorrect installation. I think we just did that to protect it from the wind. So we're going to call that the head flashing. The head is the top of the window. On that top, what we want the flashing to go, or the window fin to go under the flashing. Let's look at that in an installed window. Walk inside here. Totally something we'd never see in real life, but a window installed inside a house with flashing. That's just in here to show a point. So on the outside of the window, you can see the fin, that's this part right here, is set over the flashing, right? So any water that hits here, it's going to run down this. If it runs out here, it hits the flashing and rolls down. Same thing on the bottom edge. If it hits the flashing, it rolls down. On the top edge, however, we're using paper in place of flashing because it's cheaper. So the water is going to start up high. It's going to hit this flashing. If this goes behind the fin, so will the water, right? So we want that head flashing to go over the top of this. It's going to hit this, run down this channel, or run down here and run out. So when you install that building paper on the outside, this fin is going to tuck behind that head flashing, okay? If we look on the inside, see if we can get in here. If we look on the head flashing on the inside there, you can see there's no flashing. There's no building paper on the inside, okay? When we install these windows, I'll make you guys dizzy because I'm not pausing or cutting or anything. This is just uncut, unedited video. Okay, so when we install it, we're going to put screws in each hole going down and across the bottom. We are not going to screw the head of the window. Please tell me there's no screws up here. Okay, so if we look across the head of that, there's no screws. And the reason is, as that header begins to sag over time, we don't want it putting pressure downward on the top of the window. So if this pushes down here from the weight of the house or whatever, we don't want it cracking the window frame or cracking the glass. So no nails in the top of that. Okay, the other thing, when you set this window, by the way, you guys, seriously, man, like there's stuff everywhere in here. We got to clean that up. All right, so we're going to level it. Use shims on the bottom edge when setting this so that when you put a level on this, leveling it up and down, it's perfectly level. Also, we want to space it evenly. So look at the right side and the left side. Make sure you've got even spaces right and left as you set the window. Once it's level, evenly spaced, like I showed you on the outside, we're going to screw in all of those and put them in. Okay, once that window's in place, the next thing we need to do is flash it. Let me grab a couple things here. All right, this is called butyl tape. What this is it's a flashing tape with like a rubbery, gooey background on it. And if you peel this off, I'm not going to do it here because, oh, maybe a little bit there. Okay, so you peel that off and the sticky side goes on the window. So once that window's in place, I'll go in here and I'll show you what this looks like on the inside window. All right, so you're going to take your butyl tape and basically stick it to the bottom edge of the window. Before you do that, I'll say this again, before you do this, you're going to have me check that window, make sure that installation is correct. Right, then we're going to run that butyl tape across the bottom edge, so extend it past the fins a little bit, run it all the way across, cut it off, then do the sides, flash it down the sides, and the last thing is the top. We're going to flash across the top onto the fin. So what you'll want to do is you actually want to trim back just a small bit of the paper on the top fin, on the head, so that the butyl tape will actually stick to the vinyl frame. If it sticks to the vinyl frame, that makes sure everything goes to the outside of the building envelope. Okay, so a complete window installation, you're going to have building paper under the window fin on 3 sides, over the window fin on the head, You're going to have screws on 3 sides, not the head. And then you'll have your butyl tape, dun, 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 butyl tape, around all 4 sides. Okay, we're going to do a total of 3 windows. Once that's done, we'll talk about the door.